Let's learn how to change the language on Netflix. So welcome back to another simple video everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the language in the Netflix application on both iPhone or Android devices. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. I'm going to open up my Netflix application and then you want to make sure you are logged into your account. I'm on my home page here, so what you want to do is to tap on this My Netflix button in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll get to this page, so you'll tap on your name and profile picture, and then all of your Netflix profiles will show up. Click on the Manage Profiles button, and all of your profiles will be in this edit mode. So tap on the profile on which you want to change the language, and then you'll get to this page where you can edit a bunch of stuff related to your Netflix account. Click on this Display Language section here, and then a list of languages will appear and you can change your language into any of them. So select any language from this list, and I'll select the Croatian. Go back and tap on Done in the top right corner. And now we have successfully changed the language on our Netflix account. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.